welcome to another episode of Mixology Monday. I got Jordan here, I'm Robbie. We're gonna show you a pretty easy drink. What are we making today, Jordan?
Hot chocolate coffee.
Nice, all right. We're making this drink because we slated at our 10-year anniversary festival with it. We couldn't make them fast enough. It was a lot of work actually, but it's a really simple drink. So what do we need for this drink?
Just hot chocolate and coffee rum.
That couldn't be easier. So I'm gonna make us some hot chocolate here. Put that water in. Dump whatever chocolate mix you want in. All right, Jordan, you want to show the folks at home what kind of rum we're using?
We are using our brand new coffee rum.
Our coffee rum is awesome. We launched this rum to celebrate turning 10 years old, and it's the only coffee rum I know of that's made with actual coffee rum, and it's perfect. So we're gonna put 2 ounces of this in each drink. Tom Cruise. Doing that right-handed too, Bo.
Impressive.
All right, we got our coffee rum in the drink, and now we simply add the hot chocolate. There you have it, folks. Coffee rum, hot chocolate. Hope you enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Cheers, Jordan.
Cheers.